Hey, on this episode of Arm Farm, we've got Arm Farm, the second edition, starting out with a traditional wide grip straight bar curl. This is the mass attack movement for biceps. A little bit wider, and we supersetting that with incline easy bar extensions. We're taking this to the top of the head. So another variation of bar placement, similar to the nose breaker or skull crusher, bringing it to the forehead. Next pair, midline body hammer curls. Again, we are going to emphasize the forearms in all our Arm Farm work. Here's a rhythm tempo with rope extensions, pulling the hands away to really get a nice pump. These are high volume reps right here. And then we're going to finish with a single arm preacher curl, standing or seated, your choice. Trying to get full range of motion at the bottom, extending the elbow. And we're going to pair that with low cable kickback. I much prefer using a cable on the kickbacks than a traditional dumbbell. It gives more tension throughout both the eccentric and concentric movement patterns. And there you have another Arm Farm from the big house.